Seldom you'll encounter problems with a brand new iPhone, but irksome things could happen unexpectedly. Sound issues are bound to occur among iOS users regardless of the model of device owned. Normally, your iPhone will render sound for notifications, SMS or MMS alerts, phone calls and other audio applications unless it's set to silent mode or muted. But there are also certain instances an iPhone refuses to render audio outputs even when not muted. So in this video, we will show you how to fix an iPhone 13 mini that lost its audio. First solution, make sure it's not on silent mode. If your iPhone 13 mini is working properly except that it doesn't ring when you receive a call or doesn't play the notification sound when you receive one, then it's probably muted. There is always a tendency that your device gets muted, as the physical switch can be easily flipped when your iPhone is in your pocket. So try flipping the switch, and if it says it's enabled, then you have to flip it back to return to ring mode and make sure it plays the notification audio. However, upon flipping the switch and silent mode is disabled, then it means that that's the problem all along. If that's the case with your iPhone 13 mini, then it should work properly now. Second solution, turn off Do Not Disturb mode. Another thing that you have to look into if your iPhone 13 mini just stopped playing audio out of the blue is the Do Not Disturb feature. If enabled, your device will also be silenced so as not to disturb you when you're sleeping or in a meeting. Here's how you check on it. Launch Settings and then tap Focus. Tap Do Not Disturb. Now tap the switch to disable it if it's enabled. The problem should be fixed by now, especially if it's the DND feature that caused it. Third solution, disable Bluetooth. After doing the first two solutions and your iPhone 13 mini still has no audio, then it's possible that its sound is channeled through a Bluetooth device or through AirPods. That's why you should try disabling the Bluetooth service on your iPhone 13 mini to rule out such a possibility. Here's how. You can open Settings and tap Bluetooth, or simply pull the control center down and disable it from there. With Bluetooth disabled, the sound should be played through your device's speakers, so you better try playing music to see if the problem is fixed. Fourth solution, force restart your iPhone 13 mini. Once you've done the most basic troubleshooting procedures and your iPhone still has no sound, then it's time to move on to more complicated solutions. What you have to do next is to refresh the memory of your iPhone by doing a forced restart. This will often fix any minor firmware-related problems. That might be just the case here, so here's how you do it. Quickly press and release the volume up button, and then the volume down button. After releasing the volume down button, press and hold the power key until the logo shows. Once your device is up and ready, try to see if it plays the sound through its speakers. If still not, then move on to the next solution. Fifth solution, reset all settings on your iPhone. Assuming that the forced restart can't fix the problem, what you need to do next is to reset the settings of your device. There's a command under the Settings app that allows you to bring all the iPhone settings back to their default values without deleting any of your files or data. That must be the next thing you should do, as the problem can be due to some settings that interfered with your device's operation. Here's how you do it. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset at the bottom of the screen to reveal all the options. Tap Reset all settings and enter your security code if prompted. Tap Reset all settings at the bottom of the screen, and then confirm it by tapping the same option. Your iPhone 13 mini will reboot after the settings reset, and once it becomes active, try to see if the audio plays through the speakers. If still not, then move on to the next solution. Sixth solution, factory reset your iPhone 13 mini. After making sure that it's not due to enabled ring mode or the audio being channeled through Bluetooth devices, then it's time to do the factory reset to try and fix this sound problem on your iPhone 13 mini. A factory reset will often fix any problem with your device. However, it will also delete all your files and data. That's why it's important that at this point, you create a backup of your important files and data, as you may lose them if you don't. When ready, follow these steps to reset all the settings on your iPhone 13 mini. From the home screen, Tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings at the bottom of the screen. Tap Continue and then enter your security code if prompted. Enter your Apple ID password and tap Turn Off at the top right corner of the screen. When the reset is complete, set up your iPhone as a new device and then try to see if there are still audio problems that occur. If there is, then you should have your iPhone checked by an Apple technician. We hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.